Isabel. Here's the second one. They look alike. He's a little bit smaller, which happens in lovebirds. So hi. Turn your neck around backwards. You're so cutie. Oh, does that tickle? He goes, yeah, it tickles. Stop it. Stop it. Yeah. Oh, baby. He's a real gentle. You have to understand, we take these guys outside so you can see kind of a more accurate color, although it's a little dark right now. But they, first time outside, they get a little apprehensive, don't you? Yeah. He's sweet. He loves Anya. And right now he's going, help, I don't know where I am. I'm out here in the breeze. Yeah.